Because the lila that we're going to explain from Bhakti Rasmi to Sindhu illustrates a point of tattva and a point of bhajan, sadhana tattva. So the point is about Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. The Smaranam has 5 levels, and the 3rd level is Dhyan. So he says that there was one individual in Pragyotishapura, something like that, very long name, some South Indian place. And he was a Brahmin. So already Brahmin means samadhamastapashocham, shantir arjunam evacha, gyanam vigyanam ashtikyam brahmakarma sabhavira. He's a very shantiman, indriya dant, his senses are controlled. So he already has being a Brahmin and being engaged in puja, he must be a very elevated jiva with very high qualification and very powerful faculties of mind and intelligence. So this is the person we're discussing. And also a great bhakta, because he had a sporti. His meditative practice, which Rupa Goswami explains, was not simply closing your eyes and meditating or thinking, which is thinking. He was doing dhyan. Because being a Brahmin, and what Brahmin means they have to worship the shalagram, at least minimally, shalagram every day. And some types of Brahmins, they do homa or yajna every day also. Agnihotra or different yagyas, part of their niyam and their varna dharma as Brahmins. So in the puja vidhi, in the rules of puja, if one is worshipping shalagram or Krishna, or Murti form of Krishna, that before one does the paricharya seva or external seva, he must do manasi seva. So in the mind, one bathes the Lord and dresses Bhagavan and offers bhog and arti, all in the mind. And when one is doing the mental puja, before the external puja with the hands and senses, then it can be very, very elaborate. You can offer chapan bhog in the mind, but externally you're offering a piece of mystery because you're a Madhukari Baba. You're a Madhukari Baba, and sometimes you get a little mystery in donation, a roti, a little rock candy. So you put one tulsi patra, Radhakunjal, Ganga Jal, whatever. Chant Gopal mantra, and of course they worship Shaligram as Bhagavan, Shamsundar, Damodar, Radharaman.